Well, the Japanese have a word, a concept called mushin. And this word mushin literally means no mind. But I'd like you to think of it as no distractions or clarity. And this concept of mushin was developed hundreds of years ago on the feudal battlefields where the samurai warriors weren't texting, they were fighting to the death with razor-sharp swords. Forget about seconds. Life or death for them was decided in milliseconds. The samurai warriors couldn't be distracted. They had to clear their mind. And this practice of mushin frees the mind from the shackles of fear and ego, frees the mind from the shackles of guilt and obligation, frees the mind of distractions. So the mind becomes calm and clear and reflective like a calm body of water, polished to a mirror reflection. You can simply see each and every situation for what it is, unencumbered by these shackles. From there, you can make the right decision at the right time, all of the time. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the best-selling book called The Art of War by Sun Tzu. It talks about wonderful strategies and tactics, especially how to apply them in the business world. Mushin is the philosophy that powers that art of war. That's the clarity of the enlightened warrior.